Welcome to Debt-Free Dreams, where we simplify all things crypto and finance. Have you ever wondered how to find your crypto wallet address on popular platforms like Crypto.com, Bitcoin.com, Binance, Trust Wallet, and Coinbase Wallet? If so, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of locating your wallet address on these platforms. Whether you're sending or receiving crypto, knowing how to find your wallet address is absolutely essential. Stick around to the end because I'll also share tips on keeping your wallet addresses secure and tools that can help you manage your cryptocurrency with ease. Check the description below for links to helpful tools. Let's dive right in. Part 1. What is a crypto wallet address? Before we get started, let's define what a crypto wallet address is. A crypto wallet address is a unique string of alphanumeric characters that identifies your wallet on the blockchain. It's essentially like your bank account number, but for cryptocurrency. You use this address to send or receive crypto securely. Each cryptocurrency, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or an altcoin, has its own specific address format. For example, Bitcoin wallet addresses often start with 1, 3, or BC1. Ethereum wallet addresses begin with 0x. It's important to note that sending cryptocurrency to the wrong address or network can result in permanent loss of funds, so double-check everything before proceeding. Part 2. How to find your wallet address on popular platforms. Now let's explore how to locate your wallet address on 5 of the most widely used platforms. Step 1. Crypto.com. Open the Crypto.com app and log into your account. Navigate to the Accounts tab. Select the cryptocurrency for which you want to find the wallet address, for example, Bitcoin or Ethereum. Tap on the Receive button. Your wallet address and corresponding QR code will appear on the screen. Pro tip: always copy and paste the address instead of typing it manually to avoid errors. Step 2. Bitcoin.com wallet. Open the Bitcoin.com wallet app. Select the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Tap on the Receive button. Your wallet address and QR code will be displayed. Pro tip: use the QR code when receiving crypto to avoid manual input errors. Step 3. Binance. Log into your Binance account via the app or website. Go to Wallet and select Funding Wallet or Spot Wallet, depending on your activity. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Click on the Deposit button. Select the correct network, for example, BEP-20 for Binance Smart Chain or ERC-20 for Ethereum. Your wallet address and QR code will appear. Warning: always ensure the network matches the sender's network to avoid losing your funds. Step 4. Trust Wallet. Open the Trust Wallet app. Tap on the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Click the Receive button. Your wallet address and QR code will appear. Pro tip: add the wallet address to your favorites for quick access later. Step 5. Coinbase Wallet. Open the Coinbase Wallet app and log in. Tap on the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Select the Receive option. Your wallet address will be displayed, along with a QR code for easy scanning. Pro tip: you can also copy your wallet address to share it directly with the sender. Part 3. For best practices for securing your wallet address. Now that you know how to find your wallet address, here are some critical tips to keep your crypto safe. 1. Use hardware wallets. For long-term storage, consider transferring funds to secure wallets like Elipal or SafePal, which keep your private keys offline. 2. Verify addresses carefully. Always double-check the wallet address before sending or receiving funds. Some malware can alter clipboard data, so verify every time. 3. Avoid sharing publicly. While wallet addresses are safe to share for receiving funds, avoid displaying them publicly to reduce the risk of targeted attacks. 4. Use portfolio management tools. Apps like Coinstats can help you track multiple wallets and transactions, making it easier to manage your funds efficiently. Now you know exactly how to locate your crypto wallet address on platforms like Crypto.com, Bitcoin.com, Binance, Trust Wallet, and Coinbase Wallet. It's an essential skill for anyone involved in crypto trading or investing. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Debt-Free Dreams, and turn on notifications so you never miss valuable crypto content. Drop a comment below and let me know which wallet you use, or if you have any questions about finding your wallet address. Check the description for links to powerful tools like Elipal, Coinstats, and more to help you manage and secure your crypto journey. Thanks for watching.